All right, so in this video, we'll see like how we can provide the path for the executable file for the ChromeDriver. Because in the last video, we have seen we had our ChromeDriver executable placed in the root directory of the project, right? So in this video, we'll see like we can move this ChromeDriver executable file to some specific folder, okay? And we'll try to map it from there and we'll try to run it from there. All right, so let me create a new package and call it as driver, and let me try to move this executable file there, and let me try to delete this. All right, so right now we have this ChromeDriver executable placed here, and if we try to run this program right now, so it will fail. It will throw the illegal state exception, right? So what you can do is we can just you can see that we are getting this illegal state exception. The path to driver executable must be set, because this is not able to find out the path of the executable file. Previously it was in the root directory of the project, so it was able to find out and run accordingly, but right now it is not able to locate where this from driver executable is present, even though it is present inside the project, but it is not able to find it out. So we have to provide the exclusive path to this driver folder, right? And if I run it once again, right, and if you see the error message carefully, you'll see like the path to the driver executable must be set by the driver.ChromeDriver system property. So let me copy this system property value, and I'll say system dot set property. It is a key value here, so we can pass it like this, and we have to pass the path where this exe file is present, right? So let me copy this one and complete path. Let me copy, right? So this is called the absolute path. Okay, this is not a relative path. So this is a absolute path, where like it is starting from the C drive till where the file is present. So file is present inside this driver folder, and we are passing the path. And now if you run this program, then you'll see like it is running fine without any exception being thrown. You see that? So it is running properly, and it is launching the browser, and it is quitting the browser. So it is all working fine, right? So we are able to place the executable file in a separate folder, and from there we can run it. So next part is like we can do further optimization on this code. Right now you are seeing it is coming from C driver. Okay, C drive. Right now you are seeing it is coming from C drive. So we can remove some of the portion, because this whole portion we can read it using some Java and build a method like system.get property, and we'll say dot use system.get property user.dir, and then we'll just try to add it like this, so that it becomes unique. And whenever we are moving this project to some other system or machine, it will run it, because it is always getting the project location. If you just hard code this, then it is going to create problems. So we should not follow that practice. Instead, we can just pass in this system variable property. We can get the project location at the runtime, and this will be same, since we are keeping this as a constant. I mean the src folder, and then driver folder, wherein like we are keeping this executable file, so we can directly run it like this. And if we run it, you'll see like it is running all fine without any issue. All right, so it is working fine now also. So let me close this one, and I think we are good. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.